Has a big 8.4 motor in it, so it's got really good vacuum. It has a 1200 psi pump in it, so it's got really good pressure, so you can do tile and grout. It also has a heater for carpet cleaning. I have a 5-year warranty, parts and labor, so you know they're built solid. They're all made in the US. It's pretty easy to transport besides the weight. It has wheels and all that with it. We have different options and different packages. You can get a package where the wand and the tile and grout cleaning wand comes with it included, so the machine and that, and also we throw in the hose. There's a 25-foot sleeve hose, which is really nice, neat, and organized. It keeps the solution line and the vacuum line together, and it's a really good investment because you're getting into 3 businesses basically right off the bat. You know, carpet cleaning, upholstery cleaning, tile and grout cleaning.
Yeah. Wow, look at how dirty it is. It amazes me every time.
Yeah.
How
How dirty carpet.
you think it'd be,
White carpet and clean house.
Oh, yes, yeah.
Magic Wand Company. We have 3 locations, so we have the stuff that you need, things in stock, and the technicians to help you with any other questions that you have.